Book 294, the U.S. dumped 500,000 tons of oyster shells into the ocean in 2007. In 2007, the United States undertook a unique restoration project. Over 500,000 tons of oyster shells collected from seafood restaurants and processing plants were returned to the Gulf of Mexico. The goal was to rebuild damaged oyster reefs and coastal habitats. At first, many were skeptical, wondering if this was just another case of ocean dumping. But beneath the surface, something remarkable was happening. The shells provided a foundation for young oysters to attach and grow, and as they slowly broke down, they released calcium into the water. This created the perfect conditions for other marine organisms to thrive. Bacteria quickly colonized the shells, forming a biofilm that would become the basis of a healthy marine ecosystem. Fast forward to the present day, and the results are astounding. The restored reefs have led to a significant recovery in oyster populations, which in turn has improved water quality. Oysters naturally filter seawater, and this has helped reduce harmful algal blooms and create a cleaner environment that supports a wider variety of marine plants and animals. The project has taken nearly 2 decades to bear fruit, but the outcome is a testament to the power of restoration and conservation. What was once dismissed as ocean dumping has become a thriving habitat for thousands of marine species. Today, the Gulf of Mexico is teeming with life thanks to the vision and perseverance of those who believed in the project. As we continue to face the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, this story serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural world for future generations.